below rainbow hearts.
Yeah, that's what she wants.
512 items. Just so silent. Go loud, scream.
What? No, I'm not gonna scream. I'm focusing on reaching my house, as you might be able to see. I'm getting very frustrated because I keep accidentally breaking a house. I don't know how I can accidentally break my house. Probably I'm putting the last eye on.
Yeah, no.
We have to go in survival?
No. But yes, to go in it.
Yes, but then I'm gonna have armor. Like armor.
Come on, come and put the last eye on.
I need to go to inventory. I need to put my highlights. And give me the last island over there. So never ever made that before. It looks so like cool inside of
It
it.
leads you to the moon. Wait, what?
The end. It leads you to the
Yeah,
end.
the moon. It's on the moon. The end's on the moon. You can move fast. I want to look in it. Come on, hop in, just to look, but no killing.
Whoa!
Now fly over.
Where?
Yep, the end. The dragon respawned. I killed it with my friends, and it's respawned.
Where are you? I don't see you. Where is the Ender Dragon?
Look around.
Oh, so pretty! I've never seen the Ender Dragon ever. So pretty. I need to get close to it.
Ow! There's no way out. I thought I had to kill the Ender Dragon to make there be a way out. Shoot. Real fast, kill yourself. Go on. Go
Wait,
on.
no.
No, you have to kill yourself. Don't kill it. Don't kill it.
Will it respawn?
No, it doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. Well,
Wait, whatever.
I broke it.
So now.
You have to go. You have to put your game on.
Is it on keep inventory?
And no, it just lit the Ender Dragon.
Oh, I'm creative.
There we go.
How did you do that? Did you do slash kill? Or whatever.
Slash kill. You have to go into my. You have to go on bleak control.
Dump! So, wait.
Ow! Ow. I'm evil.
0. I'm in survival. And then what do I do?
Come on. Just look at my dinosaur spawn. Look at my dinosaur back. So pretty. Look at my cool legs. It's so cool.
No, my things! My things, though! Oh, yeah, I'm in survival. Okay.
Oh, yeah. What type of house are you making?
0.
This is just my tree
Oh,
house.
no, I do slash game.
I messed up on my house. I need to do something.
0. Oh, I did.
I need to go back in now. So I have to go back in now.
Game. No. 1. We actually not quite far away. I can see your rainbow lamp thing. So
Just like this one. Kind of looks.
I need some wood. Okay, get it out of my
No one knows what I've done to little rain. No one knows what I've done to little rain.
wood, and I'm gonna.
Little rain is so cute. Knows you
Oops.
something to her.
Oh
Until where I live.
no! Oh no!
Now
Too bad. Huh? Who are you?
I am the ghost of you. Once you die, you're gonna look like me.
No. And thanks for breaking my furnace.
You're welcome.
Oh, I didn't mean that seriously. But
You did. Yes, you did.
break it! I keep breaking
So, ready?
No.
Let me
Stop it!
Fine. I'll be back. He just doesn't know my plan. I gotta go meet my boss. My boss will be happy to hear this. Come on. Where are you, boss? Good job, boss. You're here. Now, I'm coming back, boss. Gotta get my house. He didn't let me make a house. I need to go get my best friends to come and play. Best friend, where are you? My best friends.
My computer died.
Hello. Oh, it's just a big- No.